Yo, what's up? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Lorenzo, aka The Original. Today, man, I got some Forex motivation for you guys, and we're going to be talking about how you can go from 500 to 5,000 in 25 days by scaling up your account with a simple 10% daily on your account size. All right, so this ain't 25 consecutive days that you got to go and try to make trades to get to 5,000 for 500. This is just basically talking about trying to scale up your account, man. And instead of trying to flip your account, hurry up and try to get rich and stuff like that, and take more losses than you do wins and never grow your account at all. This is talking about how you can take it one step at a time and grow your account, day by day as you trade and get better. If y'all can do me a favor right quick, man, if y'all can hit the like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you're not, and share this with other people if you like it. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And let's go ahead and get to it. I did originally record this with screen and picture and screen, but I didn't like it because it was lagging. So I'm going to just make this one pretty quick and, let me update my camera and stuff like that. And I can do a more in-depth video on it. But we're just going to go ahead and get to this right quick, man. A lot of people blow their account because they say they're trying to flip it, man. They're trying to hurry up and make a bunch of money overnight. You know what I'm saying? By the end of the week, I do it too. I've blown my accounts I don't know how many times, trying to get to a simple number. And because I'm steady trying to get to that number, you know what I mean? I'm steady going and going and going. And then next thing you know, I end up blowing my account, stuff like that. So this here is using the 10% method, man. And it works with any account size. You know what I mean? I preferably like to start off with at least $500 to $1,000 on any account that I do, and grow it from there if I cash out. So this is just to give you an idea. You'll be surprised how quick you can go from 500 to 5,000, and then how quick that 5,000 can turn into 10,000 with just a 10% growth, man, on the income. And I'm not saying that you just take your 10% and that's it. All I'm saying is that you get your 10%, and if your trade is still running, let your trade run. You know what I mean? Make sure you have your trailing stop on it. And, of course, get your 10% plus, but scale it up, leave it alone, take a break. This will help you practice your discipline, your patience, you know what I'm saying? Help you be more consistent, you know what I mean? And to motivate you as you see your account grow. So let's just go ahead and get to it. Like I said, I'm going to make this a quick video, man, because the original way that I want to do it was picture and screen. I like to interact and stuff like that. But, of course, the picture was lagging behind my words, and I don't too much like that. It's unprofessional to me. So let's go ahead and just type in this 500 right quick and see what we got, man. Yep. Let me get up over here right quick. Put the 500 in there. Okay, so here we go. We're going to have the 500 right here, right? You know what I'm saying? This is going to be the 10% growth right here. This is going to be what your account balance is going to look like after your 10%. No, this is going to be the 10% of your account balance. This is going to look like afterwards, and then it's going to come back over here with your new balance for the next day. So let's go ahead and go down and check this out. Okay, bam. So here you go. We start off 500. We get our 10% plus for the day. Close out, 550. You start off 550 the next day, 605. Of course, after the first week of trading, you're like, really? That's all? It don't look like it's growing by much, you know what I'm saying? But then again, this is where your patience is going to come in, and this is where your discipline. See, we need to, in order to be successful, man, we got to master the psychology of trading. You know what I mean? Without having the right mind frame in this trading, we'll never be successful, man. We need to have some patience. We need to be disciplined, consistent, and persistent. You know what I'm saying? And what this would do if you scale up your account to me, 10% plus a day, and then refrain from making more trades than you have to, and actually take the 10% a day and go on and be happy with it. It'll help you practice your patience and become more disciplined. And with patience and discipline what makes a trader, man. Knowing how to trade, understanding the markets, and then having the patience and the discipline and risk management, money management, you know what I mean? And then you're persistent, you're constant, you're constant with it, you know what I mean? And it brings about consistency, man. And that's, to me right here, this is what sums up a successful trader, So let's get back to this right quick, man. We start off with the 500. As you can see, within your first trading week of the 5 days, you'll come out $305 for that week. Yeah, I know that ain't much. I can make that in one trade, or or a couple, depending on what I'm trading. But like I said, though, You want your 10% and then, let your winners run. And then let's say I open up a trade, right? And I do happen to make $300 on that first trade. Bam, I'm out. You know what I mean? I got my 10%. You know what I mean? Who I do my trading through, I can actually transfer it to my wallet, not actually have to cash out from the trading account and put it into my trading wallet. You know what I mean? So therefore, I can end my account with 550. And then move on up. But so yeah, 805.26. That's $305.26 gain in the first trading week. That ain't much. So we go to the next trading week, 10 days down. It only takes 10 days, 10 trading days. All right, 2 weeks to get to $1,296.87. All right, now we making a bit of a growth. 15 days in, we'll be at $2,088.62. Okay, so then let's go down. Let's go down. Let's get to the 5,000. So here we go. On the 25th day, trading day, you'll be at $5,417.35. So that's it right there, man. If you scale up and you have the patience and you discipline yourself to scale your account up instead of trying to flip your account and end up blowing your account, but scale it up, then you can get there. And as I said, you're going to make more on some other days. So I would just separate the extra cash, put it in my wallet, because there might be some days that you don't meet your 10%. And let's say you have extra cash in the wallet of your account. You can just put that back in to help you meet up for what you don't make for the day. You get what I'm saying? But look, check this out. This is what's going to blow your mind. This is what blew my mind. After you hit the 5,000 mark on the 25th day, it don't take much longer to get to 10 racks, man. Look at this. So here we are. On the 25th day, we meet our mark of the 5,000. It's actually 5,000 plus, but you initially invested 500. All right. So now all it take after that is 7 more trading days at a 10% growth daily, man, to get to 10 G's. You initially started off with 500. 32 trading days. That's a month and a half, man. That's more than people make. Some people don't even make this, in 6 months. Some people, as I said, this is a $300 gain over here. Some people, that's shit. They get less than that in a week on their paycheck, man. So when you look at it, man, you're scaling up and you're growing. Hey, tell me this, man. To make 5 G's in 25 days, that's a month. More than some people make, man. More than a lot of people make in a month. It ain't worth it to be patient and discipline yourself enough to scale your account up 10% a day to go from 500 to 5 racks. You know what I mean? And then 7 days later, 32 days, 10 racks. I don't know about you, man, but I used to talk about scaling my account up 10%, but actually seeing it and putting it down and looking at the numbers, it made a big difference, man. And, my wife actually helped me, look at this and actually go through and scale everything up so that way I could see it, man. Because I get tired of trying to hurry up and flip my account and then blowing it and stuff like that. I'm pretty much a break-even trader now. I take profit here and there, and I'm growing. And this is the whole point of this channel, man, is to share my experience with you guys and grow with y'all and help others grow at the same time and show them what I got going on or how I can see that I may be of service and help others. You know what I mean? But look, check this out, man. Like I said, this works with anything, man. Say you start off your account with $100. $100, scale it up 10% a day. It ain't much, but if you scale and you continue to grow, you want to grow and become wealthy, or do you want to try to hurry up and flip your account and just stay broke and keep putting these little $100 you got in here blowing all the money you got, man? 25 days, you'll be at 1,000. In a month's trading time, you'll be at 2,000. Like I said, man, it's all about scaling up and growing, man, and becoming a successful trader, man. Not a rich trader, but a successful trader. Because with success, man, and growth, your riches is going to come, man. But you'll be more appreciative of it because you actually worked your ass off, stuck to a plan to get to it. So look, man, that's it. It's going to be a quick, I'm trying to take it 2 minutes at a time, man. Just a little motivation, man. But as y'all can see, man, it don't take number 25 trading days of you trading and scaling up your account at 10% to get to $5,000. And then 7 more days later, 5 to 10 racks, man. 5 to 10 racks in 7 days. Once you hit that 5,000 mark, shit, all you need to do is try to get from 5 to 10 every trading week. Keep that 5,000 in your account, scale it up 10% a day. You know what I mean? And try to go from 5 to 10, 5 to 10. Once we get up there, shit, it's easier, man. And if you do master this and happen to scale your account up and discipline yourself enough, ain't nothing you won't be able to do with this trading, man. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with other people, man. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Hit me up on Instagram, man. And let's get this money. I'm out.